Yes, most standard electrician general liability policies in Arizona exclude or sharply limit coverage for solar installation work, and most contractors do not find out until they file a claim. The exclusion usually comes down to how your policy classifies your operations, not what license you hold. In this video, I will show you exactly where the solar exclusion hides in a typical GL policy and what coverage actually closes the gap. General liability policies are priced and written around a specific class of business. Standard electrical contracting and solar photovoltaic installation are treated as two different exposures, even when the same company performs both. First, Arizona licenses solar separately from standard electrical work. The Registrar of Contractors issues CR11 for residential solar and C11 for commercial solar, distinct from the CR40 and C40 electrical classifications most electricians carry. If your GL policy was written and rated for straight electrical work, a $30,000 solar-related claim can be denied simply because the loss falls outside your classified operations. Second, many electrician GL policies limit or exclude products completed operations coverage tied to solar equipment. DC arc fault fires from rooftop panel systems are a recognized cause of property loss, and a single rooftop fire claim in the Phoenix metro area can run past $150,000 in structural and content damage once flames reach attic insulation during a dry pre-monsoon month. Third, if you size the system, run load calculations, or design the array layout, that work often falls under a professional services exclusion in a standard policy. An error in system sizing that overloads a panel or fails inspection can trigger a rework cost of $10,000 or more that a standard GL policy will not touch without an added errors and omissions endorsement. Fourth, rooftop work above a certain height is a common carve-out on electrician GL forms. Solar installation is almost always roof-mounted, so a fall-related injury claim during a summer install, when Arizona roof surfaces can exceed 150 degrees, can be denied if the policy excludes work above 15 feet. Fifth, the fix is usually affordable. Adding a solar contracting endorsement or moving to a monoline solar liability policy typically adds $800 to $2,500 a year to an existing electrician's GL premium, depending on annual revenue and whether design work is included. The biggest mistake Arizona solar electricians make is assuming their existing GL policy automatically covers solar work because they hold the right ROC license. Licensing and insurance classification are two separate systems, and only one of them determines whether a claim actually gets paid. Go to www.iboaz.com for a quote, or call 4808-121-998 and speak to a knowledgeable agent.